Decentralized applications, or dApps for short. dApps are a new type of software application that run on decentralized networks, such as blockchains, and offer a range of benefits over traditional applications. Throughout this video, we'll be diving into the key features and benefits of dApps, including their decentralization, security, transparency, and immutability. We'll also cover the process of building a dApp, from choosing a blockchain platform to writing the code, deploying the dApp, and marketing it to users. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply curious about the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, this video has something for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what dApps are, how they work, and why they're so important for the future of software development. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the exciting world of dApps. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Juice Crypto Talks for more informative and educational content on the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The concept of decentralized applications, or dApps, has its roots in the early days of blockchain and cryptocurrency. The first decentralized application, Bitcoin, was created in 2008 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. With its decentralized nature, Bitcoin offered a new way of transmitting value and making payments without the need for intermediaries such as banks or payment processors. However, it wasn't until the creation of Ethereum in 2014 that the idea of decentralized applications as we know them today began to take shape. Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin, saw the potential for blockchain technology to be used for much more than just digital currency transactions. He envisioned a world where decentralized applications could be used for everything from supply chain management to online voting to decentralized finance. To make this vision a reality, Buterin created a blockchain platform that would allow developers to build decentralized applications using smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. This code can then be deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, creating a decentralized, trustless application that runs on a network of computers around the world. Since the launch of Ethereum, the world of decentralized applications has exploded, with thousands of dApps now available across a variety of industries and use cases. From decentralized exchanges to prediction markets to gaming platforms, the possibilities for dApps are virtually limitless. Over the years, the development of dApps has been driven by a growing community of developers, entrepreneurs, and investors who believe in the potential of decentralized technology to transform the world. Despite some challenges and obstacles along the way, such as scalability issues and regulatory hurdles, the dApp ecosystem has continued to grow and evolve, with new and innovative use cases emerging all the time. In the coming years, it's likely that we'll see even more growth and innovation in the world of dApps as more and more people discover the benefits of decentralized technology. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply someone who wants to learn more about the future of technology and finance, understanding dApps and the role they play in the world is an essential part of keeping up with the ever-evolving world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Benefits of dApps. Decentralization. dApps are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by a single entity or organization. This gives users more control over their data and reduces the risk of censorship or interference by centralized authorities. Security. dApps use blockchain technology, which is highly secure and resistant to hacking and tampering. This makes dApps a secure platform for storing and exchanging data and assets. Transparency. dApps are transparent, meaning that all transactions are publicly visible on the blockchain. This makes it easier to track the history of transactions and makes it harder to manipulate or falsify data. Immutability. dApps are immutable, meaning that once data has been written to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This helps to maintain the integrity of the data and reduces the risk of fraud or tampering. Accessibility. dApps are accessible from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. This means that people from different countries can easily use and participate in dApps without needing to go through intermediaries. Lower costs. D-apps can often reduce costs for users by eliminating the need for intermediaries, such as banks or payment processors. This can lead to lower transaction fees and a more affordable and accessible financial system. Open source. Many D-apps are built on open source technology, meaning that the code is publicly available and can be freely modified and used by anyone. This encourages collaboration and innovation as developers can build on existing code and create new and improved D-apps. Incentives. D-apps often use token economics to incentivize users to participate and contribute to the network. Tokens can be used to reward users for performing certain tasks, such as providing liquidity, participating in governance, or contributing to the development of the D-app. Disintermediation. D-apps remove intermediaries from the equation, making it easier for people to transact directly with each other. This can lead to more efficient and cost-effective transactions, as well as greater financial freedom and autonomy for users. These are just a few of the many benefits of D-apps, and as the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more advantages emerge. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply someone who wants to learn more about the future of technology and finance, understanding the benefits of D-apps is an essential part of staying ahead of the curve. While D-apps have many benefits, there are also some drawbacks that are worth considering. Complexity. D-apps can be complex to use and understand, particularly for people who are not familiar with blockchain technology. This can make it difficult for people to adopt and use D-apps, which can limit their growth and impact. Limited scalability. Currently, the scalability of D-apps is limited, meaning that they can only handle a limited number of transactions at once. This can result in slow transaction speeds and long confirmation times, which can make D-apps less attractive to users. Lack of interoperability. D-apps are often built on different blockchain platforms, which can make it difficult for them to interact with each other. This can limit the growth and potential of the D-app ecosystem, as well as make it more difficult for users to use multiple D-apps at once. Vulnerability to hackers. While D-apps are more secure than traditional centralized applications, they are not immune to hacking or tampering. For example, smart contracts, which are an integral part of many D-apps, can contain vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious actors. Regulatory challenges. D-apps operate in a regulatory gray area, as many governments have not yet established clear guidelines for how D-apps should be treated. This can make it difficult for D-apps to comply with regulations and operate legally, which can limit their growth and impact. Lack of user adoption. D-apps are still in the early stages of development, and many people are not yet familiar with them or how they work. This can make it difficult for D-apps to attract users and build a critical mass of adoption. These are just a few of the cons of D-apps, and while they are important to consider, they should not discourage you from learning more about this exciting and rapidly evolving technology. By understanding both the benefits and the drawbacks of D-apps, you can make informed decisions about whether or not they are right for you. There are a growing number of businesses and organizations that are exploring the use of decentralized applications, D-apps, in various industries. Here are a few examples. Finance. One of the biggest areas of growth for D-apps is in the financial sector, where they are being used to disrupt traditional banking and financial services. For example, there are D-apps for peer-to-peer lending, decentralized exchanges, and stablecoins. Supply chain management. D-apps are also being used to improve transparency and efficiency in supply chain management by providing a secure and decentralized platform for tracking the movement of goods and materials. Gaming. The gaming industry has been quick to embrace D-apps, with many developers creating decentralized games that allow players to own their virtual assets and compete against each other in a secure, transparent, and fair environment. Identity management. D-apps are being used to provide secure and decentralized solutions for identity management, which can be especially useful for individuals who lack formal identification documents. Healthcare. D-apps are being used in the healthcare sector to improve data management and privacy, as well as to facilitate secure and transparent exchanges of medical information between patients and healthcare providers. Real estate. D-apps are being used to streamline real estate transactions and to provide secure and transparent property ownership records. Social media? D-apps are being used to create decentralized social media platforms that allow users to own and control their data and to interact with each other in a secure and transparent environment. These are just a few examples of the businesses and organizations that are using D-apps. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, it is likely that we will see even more use cases for D-apps across a wide range of industries. Here's a list of some of the businesses and organizations that are using decentralized applications. D-apps: Uniswap, MakerDAO, OV, Compound, Kyber Network, Banker, DYDX, ZeroX, Curve, Balancer, Gnosis, Ren, Tether, Wrapped Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ocean Protocol, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Splinterlands, Mirror, Yuma, 1inch Exchange, Lendefi, Uniswap, Acropolis, DeFi Pulse, Open Law, Colony, Claros, Aragon. This list is by no means exhaustive, and new D-apps are being created all the time. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, it is likely that we will see even more use cases for D-apps across a wide range of industries. Choose a blockchain platform. To build a D-app, you need to choose a blockchain platform that provides the features and functionality you need. Some popular platforms for building D-apps include Ethereum, EOS, and Tron. Design and plan your D-app. Before you start building your D-app, it's important to have a clear idea of what your D-app will do and how it will work. This will help you to identify the key components you need to build and the resources you will need to develop your D-app. Write the code. Once you have a clear plan for your D-app, you can start writing the code. You will need to have a solid understanding of the programming languages and development tools used by your chosen blockchain platform. Deploy your D-app. After you have written and tested your D-app, you can deploy it to the blockchain. This will make it available for others to use and interact with. Market your D-app. Once your D-app is live, you need to market it and get people to start using it. This may involve promoting your D-app through social media, attending blockchain events, or collaborating with other developers and projects in the blockchain community. Maintaining and updating your D-app. Building a D-app is just the beginning. You will need to regularly maintain and update your D-app to ensure it continues to work as expected and meet the needs of users. This may involve fixing bugs, adding new features, or improving the performance and security of your D-app. Secure your D-app. Security is a key concern when building a D-app, as any vulnerabilities or weaknesses in your code could be exploited by malicious actors. You need to make sure that your D-app is secure and protected against potential attacks. This may involve implementing best practices for coding and security, such as using secure coding techniques, conducting regular security audits, and updating your D-app to address any known vulnerabilities. Get feedback and iterate. Finally, it's important to get feedback from users and continue to iterate and improve your D-app. This may involve incorporating suggestions from users, fixing bugs, or adding new features based on user demand. By staying active and engaged with your community, you can ensure that your D-app remains relevant and useful for users over time. The future of D-apps is looking bright as more and more businesses and organizations are recognizing the potential benefits of this new technology. In the coming years, we can expect to see continued growth in the number of D-apps being developed and used, as well as improvements in the technology that powers them. One of the most exciting trends in the future of D-apps is the increasing adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. DeFi platforms use D-apps to provide financial services, such as loans, savings, and insurance, in a decentralized and secure manner. This is transforming the traditional financial industry by giving people more control over their money and reducing the need for intermediaries. Another trend to watch is the growing interest in non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFT are unique digital assets that are stored on the blockchain, and they are increasingly being used in the gaming and collectible industries. This is opening up new possibilities for ownership and trading of digital assets, and it is likely to drive further growth in the dApp ecosystem. Overall, the future of dApps is exciting and full of potential. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see new and innovative use cases emerge, further strengthening the decentralized web and transforming the way we interact with technology. And that concludes our video on dApps. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Juice Crypto Talks, for more videos on the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Thank you for watching.